We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
If you want to make sure that your HDMI cable supports Ultra HD 4K resolution, you have to look for the HDMI high-speed logo on the cable's packing. The cable itself normally does not carry the logo but should rather read the claim, HDMI high-speed.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.